have here? Yes, our new microphone. So I finally got a microphone, a clip-on lapel microphone. That's it right here. If you can see the name, Andoer, something like that, of the sort. And you must have seen the unboxing where I took them out of the parcel, right? Right now I'm going to, this video is more like a review on the product. I thought it wise to make a video on how the lapel microphone works and my thoughts about it. The reason, so obvious. When I first got it, I was so frustrated. I almost returned it because it wasn't quite working with my normal camera. It wasn't working at all. And I had decided to return it, but that same day, right? But after a while, I got thinking, okay, why not check YouTube to see if there are videos explaining how this even works in the first place, right? And so I did, and I saw some videos on how to actually use the lapel microphone, how to make it work, and I did a lot of things to get to this stage. I did my best to discover exactly how to make this work for me, and it did work for me. And so I thought there might be someone out there who may also be having trouble with using the clip-on lapel microphone. And I felt, okay, why not make a video and help this person out, whoever that person may be. And voila, the video. So, firstly, if you are going to, this is the lapel, this is the clip-on lapel microphone. Of course, I do not know the brand. I saw a name here, Andoer. I do not know if that is the brand or I do not know really. Okay, so let's get to work. When you have this microphone, it doesn't work with the normal camera. No, it doesn't. It doesn't work with the normal camera. However, you may want to check your settings. You may want to check your phone settings to be sure that it permits an external microphone. Yes. And then when you do that, I will show you a recording of my screen so you can know exactly the steps to take. Now, when you go to your phone settings, just go to your phone settings and then go to your apps, and then you can go to camera. When you open the camera, you just go to permissions, and then you make sure that the microphone aspect is ticked, it's kept on rather. Make sure the microphone is on. Now, and then you can plug this part into your phone, and then if it doesn't work still, then you know, my phone camera can't work with this. It didn't work for me. I checked my phone settings, checked my camera settings, it just wasn't working for me. And so I decided to go for the alternative. Now, the alternative is to download an app called Open Camera. Open Camera allows the use of an external microphone. So you have to download it. I went to Play Store. Remember, I said I had to watch lots of videos on how to use the microphone, how to make it work. So after watching the videos, I went straight to Play Store because I'm using an Android, yes. So I went to Play Store and I downloaded the Open Camera and installed it too. Now, when you download and install the Open Camera, you have to open the app. You have to use that app to make your video recordings. So you open the app and you go to the settings, you go to video settings, go to audio source, and then make sure to click on external microphone. If you click on any other option there, you just want to hear yourself. It's not going to work, trust me. You have to make sure that you tick the external microphone, and after that, it's good to go. I must say this quickly. There was one video I had watched while trying to figure out how to make this work for me, and the lady talked about how that this Open Camera has a way of making the video quality darker than the regular camera setting, than the regular camera on her phone and regular phone camera. the open camera makes the background and everything darker than it should, right? So I found this very concerning. I was very bothered by this, and I wasn't quite sure how to go around that. Do I get more lightnings? What exactly am I supposed to do? So I opened the app, did the settings, made sure it was set to external microphone. And while exploring the app, that's one thing about me, I like exploring apps. That way I get to even discover features that I would not have even thought existed in the app in the first place. So while exploring the open camera, I figured out how to actually increase the brightness of my video. Can you imagine this? I actually figured it out and I felt really cool about it, and I'll also show you how to do that. You can see this icon here. You have to click on it, and then you can regulate the brightness. You can regulate the brightness. It could be, if you want it brighter, it could be brighter. If you want it darker, it could be darker. But the point is, I found a way around the fact that it makes the videos darker. Having sorted that out, I decided to go ahead and try the microphone. I'm going to try it right now. Just so you know, I'm using my normal camera right now to make this video, this aspect that you've seen so far. And I'm sure you must have noticed the way I sound, the audio quality of this particular video, right? Right now, I'm going to switch over to the open camera and test out the microphone and see how it works. I'd like you to take note of the audio quality with and without the microphone, and then you get to decide if it was a good idea to get the Lapel microphone or not. See you. Okay, right now I am using the open camera and I'm going to test the microphone right now. Stay with me. This is how I sound without the microphone. My tone, I'm going to maintain this tone even when I connect the microphone. This point here goes into your microphone or earphone port, right, on your phone, Android I said. So see for yourself and let me know if you notice the change in the audio quality.
Okay, so this is with the microphone. This is how it sounds when I'm using the microphone. Do let me know if you notice any change in the audio quality, like I said earlier. And I also had to look up ways of using the clip-on lapel microphone, and I saw a video on tips and tricks and how to use a clip-on microphone. And then a tip they gave was to make sure that the microphone isn't way too close to your mouth up this level, as it would cause some plosives and, you know, muffled sounds. And then be sure not to place it too low so you don't sound quite distant. And then there's a way you can also conceal the microphone if you want. Now this is how I'm going to sound if I take it all the way down. Okay, this is how it sounds when it's all the way down, and this is how it sounds when it is too high over here or somewhere. So I just have to keep it on a very moderate position here, and it also depends on the kind of clothing you're wearing as well. You just have to figure out a way to place your microphone while using. So this is it for now. I'm going to turn this off now and then switch back to my normal phone camera.
Okay, now I'm using my regular phone camera and I'm not using the microphone at the moment. So if you did like the video, remember to, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and then hit the notification bell. By the way, I'm almost forgetting one thing. My review, my opinion on the Lapel microphone. Now here's what I think. Firstly, I'm going to say that I was a bit disappointed and frustrated when I got the microphone because I didn't know how to use it. It wasn't working for me and I felt like I was going to return it. But after watching videos, I figured out a way to make it work for me, and now I feel it's just fine. Only time will tell. I wish the package had some sort of a manual or a warning to let me know that I need another app. I need to install a different app to make use of the microphone. Secondly, I am not yet sure what this is for, but I'm sure I'll figure out its use along the line. But for now, I really do not know what it's used for or what it is. Can you see this? Can you see this? And it has this mouth-like thing here. Exactly. I do not know what it's used for. It should be an adapter, like to, connect it and then put it somewhere. I'm not sure. I will figure it out. Now, like I said, I wish it came with a manual. And then, one beautiful thing about this is it's very affordable. It is super affordable. Yes, I said so, super affordable. So if you are looking for something to just use immediately, it was quite urgent for me to get one actually, and that's why I resorted to getting this first, because I needed something really affordable at this point in time. Maybe later I would get better gadgets and stuff, but for now I decided to get this, and it's quite affordable. Really, when I say affordable, I'm talking affordable. I will indicate the price in the description section. Thank you for watching. That's how I got to use my microphone in the end. Let me know what you think about it. If you also already have the microphone and you figured out how to use it and you have better tips than this, also let us know in the comment section, as you may be helping someone out, who knows. And again, if you are someone who's stuck and not sure what to do with this or lapel microphone because you haven't quite figured out yet, I hope you just stumble on this video and find it helpful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me this long. This is my review on my microphone. Bye!